Hey everyone, and welcome back. I wanted to take today to review our coins and making money in many ways. We've all seen this screen before, and so I'm going to do a quick one of, let's try a different number. Let's do 58 cents. So here I have a penny. I know that this is the head side of the penny with Abraham Lincoln, and the tail side here. Then I have a nickel, the head side and the tail side, a dime, the head side and then the tail side, and a quarter, the head side and the tail side. A penny is worth 1 cent, a nickel is 5 cents, a dime is 10 cents, and a quarter is 25 cents. This is all stuff we learned before our break. So my quarter is 25, so to get to 50, I need 2 quarters because 25 plus 25 is 50. And then I have 8 cents left. A nickel is 5. And then 3 pennies gets me to 8. So now I can see I have 25, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58 cents here. I can show it in different ways also. I know that a dime is worth 10 cents. So if I do 5 dimes, that'll get me to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So there's 20, 30, 40, 50. I need 8 more cents again. So I'm going to use these coins here again to show 8 cents. So a nickel and 3 pennies. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. I can do this another way also. I know if I do 2 quarters, 2 dimes, that gets me to 20, plus a nickel, that's 25. I could do a quarter for 50, and then a nickel and 3 pennies for 8. So 10, 20, 25, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. I have one more way to show it now. What if I did it with nickels? I can count by 5s until I get to 55 and then do 3 pennies. So this would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and then 55. Now I need 3 more pennies. 1, 2, 3 shows me 58 cents. I could keep on going and come up with several different more ways to show 58, but we're just going to do 4 today. Alright friends, me and Mrs. U cannot wait to see you on Zoom. Bye everyone.